Hello students, welcome in accountancy session. So in the previous session we have solved some numerical question based on profit loss appropriation account, partners capital account and current account. So today we are going to start the new topic, that is interest on drawing. So interest on drawing is the income of the firm. Whenever partners withdraw cash from the firm, so they have to pay interest to the firm. So it's a firm's income. Okay, so now see question number 24b. A is a partners in a firm. During the year ended 31st March 2018, A's drawing were on 1st June 1000 rupees, on 1st August 750, on 1st October withdraw 1250, on 1st December 500 and 1st Feb 500. So these are drawing withdrawn by A in different date, and also given interest on drawing is charged at the rate 10% per annum. Calculate the interest on drawing of A for the year ended 31st March 2018. So we are going to calculate the interest on drawing by two methods. So first method is simple method. So in this method we have to prepare format like this: date, amount, period, month up to 31st March, because accounts will be closed on 31st March. So month up to 31st March, and interest at the rate 10%. So first of all, in the date column write date whenever drawing occur. So on 1st June, then write the amount 1000 rupees. Then calculate the month. So if withdrawn cash on 1st June, so how many months remaining? 1st June to 31st March, so it's 10 months. Okay, then you have to calculate the interest. So 1000 amount and rate of interest is given 10%, and month 10 months. So 1000 into 10 upon 100 rate, and we have to calculate 10 months interest, so 10 upon 12. So it will be 83.33. In the same manner, on 1st August to 31st March, it's 8 months. So now also calculate the interest: 750 into rate 10 upon 100, and months 8 by 12, so it's 50. And 1st October 1250, and 1st October to 31st March, it's 6 months. So 1250 into rate 10 upon 100 and 6 by 12, it's 63. Same as 31st December 500 rupees. 31st December to 31st March, how many months? 4 months. So 500 into rate 10 upon 100 and month 4 by 12, it's 17. And 1st Feb also 500 amount, and the month Feb to 31st March, it's 2 months. So 500 into rate 10 upon 100 and months 2 by 12, so it's 8. So now we can calculate the total interest: 83.33 plus 50 plus 63 plus 17 plus 8, so it's 221. So it's a simple method. So in this method you have to prepare the format: a date, amount, period from a month up to 31st March, and then interest. Okay, so now calculate this interest on drawing through another method, that is product method. So in the product method, you have to prepare a format, date, amount, period, month up to 31st March and product. In the date column, first withdraw on 1st June and 1000 amount, and how many months? June to 31st March, it's 10 months. Then you have to calculate the product can be calculated with amount multiplied by months, period of up to the 31st March months. So 1000 multiplied by 10, it's 10,000. In the same manner, on 1st August to 31st March, 8 months, then amount multiplied by months, it's 6,000. 1st October to 31st March, it's 6 months, then amount multiplied by months, it's 7,500. 31st December to 31st March, it's 4 months, amount multiplied by months, it's 2,000. 1st Feb to 31st March, 2 months, so amount multiplied by months, it's 1,000. So now calculate the total amount, total product. So according to this method, we can calculate the interest by using this formula, total product into rate multiplied by 1 upon 12 months, 1 by 12. So total product is 26,500 multiplied by rate 10 upon 100 and months 1 by 12. So it's 221. Okay, so it's in this question we can calculate the interest on drawing by two methods, simple method and product method. Okay, I hope you can understand. If you have any query, please let me know. I will help you. Thank you very much.